So tonight we are having American barbecue, and that's our dinner because it is the 4th of July. So we've got ribs, we've got brisket, we've got roast chicken, we've got kettle fried chips, and we have got cornbread. So let's get started and get tasting. And we've got sides, coleslaw, beans, the lot. Let's take a look. Okay, so we've got our coleslaw, our sauces, and we've got our food. Let's get tasting because Mama is dying to taste the brisket. Okay, I've got my plate. I've got some, let's show. There's my brisket, my ribs, got some chicken, got my coleslaw, and got my beans. And I have to say, having the coleslaw in America, it's really, really good. But first things first, let's try that brisket. I have been dying to try the brisket. A little bit of spicy sauce. Fatty brisket. I love it. The coleslaw in America. I love American barbecue, and I've never liked smoked meat. But when in America, ribs full of the bone.
Whoa.
I love American food
Kind of see
right now.
It's fresh.
Mm.
It's fresh.
We love the beans. Best baked beans ever. My daughter loves it especially. We've always liked baked beans. But in America they make it really, really good. I am loving this. No better meal to have on the 4th of July. First of many American meals to come. Happy birthday, America. I love you. I love it. I love it. Chicken. No. You can't go wrong. I love it. Happy birthday, America.